shampoo my hair. I'm just gonna cut on my ring light a little bit. Yeah. Yep, I'm back in my old space. Long story, I will tell y'all that on another time. I'll probably do a mukbang or something. But yeah. And here is more. Hey y'all. Alright, let's get it. Y'all, my shampoo was everything. Let's get right into this 4-step process. I'm going to be first putting my hair into a low slick bun. I'm still going to be applying this wig like I did with my first wig. All the information on that wig and how I installed it is in the description below. So go check it out if you want a very detailed how to put on the wig, because I'm using the same type of wig, so I don't want to keep saying the same thing. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're able to understand it. It's very quick, super cute for any occasion. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below if you are digging it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you enjoyed this video. To create this look, I'm going to be using Outre's Converti cap wig. I'm going to be using their texture in the Rosey wave. This wave is so cute. It just gives you a very nice loose wave. It is a synthetic wig, so I do not recommend that you use heat to it. Just let the waves be how it is, and make sure that you're using a wide tooth comb and a big powder brush when keeping up with the curls. So I'm using 20 inches of a pack of braiding hair that I wind up splitting in half. I split it in half because I'm actually going to be feeding some of the hair into the braid. If you are not somebody who knows how to feed in hair, I suggest that you use like 26-inch braiding hair. That way the hair is long enough to still, after being braided, wrap across your head. To create my big braid look, or a petal braid look, or some people call it a butterfly braid, I'm going to be actually pulling at each part of the braid. You want to make sure that your braid isn't tight when you are creating it, because you want this to be an easy process. And then right here, I'm just making sure that when I wrap it around, it's actually, you know, long enough to go around. And I'm also going to make it a little bit bigger once I have it secured. I'm going to seal it with my rubber band, cut off the excess, and then with my straight pins, I'm going to be placing it across my head. To keep my braid in place, I hooked one of my large straight pins through the beginning of my braid. I pinned it a little bit behind my ear, and then I'm just gonna bring it over. And at my nape, I'm gonna be pinning the end of my braid. I'm gonna adjust my petals first, my braid petals, before I add any more pins for extra security. But that's cute. See how quick that was? It came out exactly how I pictured it. Yeah.